Well, hello everyone. This is Eric Sauvé, also known as Z Power Diver. Today I'm going to walk through just a quick example of how to work with variables in your flow in a way that when it's integrated within a Canvas app, it makes more sense for you or the users will be using that flow. This kind of came out into a great session that I attended at Power Platform World Tour in Vancouver with Seth Bacon, where he was talking about replacing Word documents in I think those were request forms for like MiFi and equipment that were using Word document and changing all that through Canvas apps and flows and so on. And he was raising the issue where the actual naming of the variables was not easy to work with. So for you, Seth, here's the example that I was talking to you about. So here I have a little new Canvas app I created. I have a button here which I'll call it flow. Actually, I'm going to create the flow. And just from here, basic flow, Power Apps button, take the template, go with it, and let's just rename it demo flow for naming. And I hope the volume is good. I don't have my microphone. I'm at the hotel getting ready for 365 Saturday in Victoria today. Great city, lots of fun. So here, let's say we just work straight with how it works today. So let's say I do put a condition here, and you know how, in this case, since this is a Power App trigger, I go here and I say, okay, let's ask in Power App the value here, or actually the name, the value here that we're going to get. What happens is it's going to take the name of this section and whichever area it is, and make that the name of the variable that you will use within the app. So when you get the IntelliSense, it's going to put that name. Kind of hard to work with sometimes. Usually the best way is before you add that variable, what you do is you go and rename, which is a good practice anyways to do it all the time. So the first way is rename the condition. So let's say here is ask if I want a coffee, because it's pretty early. So I put this. Now if I come here and do ask in Power Apps again, now the name of the variable, ask if I want a coffee, dot object name. It's cool, it's fine. But maybe sometimes if you have a lot of stuff, so let's say for example I had another step with is, let's look at maybe Office Outlook 365. Let's send an email. Let's do my stuff right and rename email to Eric. To ask in Power App, see the name will be email to Eric 2. So that's one way to do it. The other way sometimes, because of maybe the naming won't help you or the extension is not there, what I do is I add a initialize variable. So let's rename it first. Cream or not. Here, ask in Power App, but it's going to be with cream or not value. So let's just put this, save the flow. Yeah, oh, sorry, forgot. Okay, let's ask this in Power Apps 2. In Power App. So the flow checker is good. If I come back to my Power Apps here, demo flow for naming, getting it, and then I'm going to get the full list here. Condition object name, so that was the first one. Ask if I wanted coffee, object name. Email to Eric2 with cream or nut value, so that's the one. So the email to Eric2, that's the one, those are the ones that came with this one. So it took the section name, added to it, and then the with cream or nut value, those are the ones that I create variable names here, so I get the right, the one I want. So I hope it helps out. Keep on diving.